What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube and Facebook, and this is day number 2 of endless summer cruising in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland. Today, I spent the entire day filming at the Twisted Rod show at the Pit and Pub on 127th Street. What an amazing turnout. They had over 700 cars show up. It is an amazing, amazing, amazing show. If you've never been to that show, you have to go. I guarantee it. Get there early. Parking is super crazy. Okay? But as we usually do, today's video, we're going to be giving away a Bangin Gears fleece. It is way too hot for me to be wearing that to show it to you, so I took a little video inside the condo, and we'll slip that in right now. But yesterday's video, we gave away a hat, so make sure you check that as well. To be eligible to win anything this week, we'll be giving away swag in every video this week. There's a new video where we did one Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. We'll be giving away hats and fleeces. So to be eligible, you need to subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on that video, each video, and then that'll put you in the running to win whatever we're giving away in that video. So there's 4 chances to win. You can win 2 hats and 2 fleeces. Whatever you want to do. Okay, so also check us out on Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. It's a group. It's open to the public. You can post anything you want as long as it's automotive related. If you have trouble finding it, you should have got this postcard in your goodie bag if you're registered for the show. Just use your cell phone and scan the QR code. Send you right over to the YouTube channel, the Facebook group, or my Instagram channel. Also in your goodie bag, should have got a Bangin Gears sticker. Have fun, enjoy it, slap it on your toolboxes, on your car, wherever you want to do it, just enjoy. If you're not registered for the show and you would like a sticker, and you see me or my cousin Steven with the Bangin Gears swag, just ask us for a sticker, we're happy to pass them out. So that's it. Enjoy today's video, and we'll catch you tomorrow right here on Bangin Gears Garage.